Press the cutting button yellow to activate cutting. Press the coagulation button blue to activate coagulation. Press the right button to activate suction and the left button to activate irrigation. First, insert the spatula or L-hook electrode into the handle until you hear an audible click. Then, adjust the electrode tip exposure by sliding the control knob forward or backward. Next, attach the irrigation tubing connector to the fluid collection canister. Then, insert the spikes into the saline solution bags. Finally, connect the suction tubing to the handle. Connect the power lead to the electrosurgical unit. Before use, ensure that the ESU is compatible with the power lead. To operate, retract the locking pin on the right side of the handle to unlock the buttons. The spatula tip electrode enables simultaneous cutting, coagulation, irrigation, and suction. In addition, its wide contact surface enhances coagulation efficiency and supports effective hemostasis. Depending on procedural requirements, the electrode can be exchanged between the spatula tip and the L-hook. At the same time, rotate the control knob to adjust the orientation of the electrode tip. Likewise, the L-hook electrode enables simultaneous cutting, coagulation, irrigation, and suction. It is designed for efficient tissue cutting and coagulation, with functionality comparable to a J-hook. Therefore, it is well suited for procedures requiring tissue elevation, precise cutting, coagulation, and controlled dissection. Press the red button to activate suction. Press the blue button to activate coagulation. In general, the recommended irrigation pressure is approximately 150 to 300 millimeters of mercury. When inserting or removing the device through the trocar sleeve, always ensure that the insulating tube is fully extended to cover the electrode tip. This protects both the device and the trocar sleeve from potential damage.